This is the simple and easiest way to forward the monthly Power of Sale list to your entire Mailchimp database using just your phone. We're going to try to do this in under 2 minutes. So check your email, okay, for an email from your Sutton office that says Mailchimp template has been shared with you. So you'll see a preview of the Power of Sale email, and you're going to scroll to the bottom and find the green button that says Add to your account. Okay, perfect. So that takes me right to my Mailchimp account. If you have not logged in on your phone or on this device before, it will ask you for your username and password. Okay, so you'll see here I've got my templates. There's my latest Power of Sale list. So right underneath it, I have the edit button, and beside the edit button is the arrow. This is what you're looking for, this arrow that's pointing downwards. So I'm going to press that arrow and it opens up the menu, and I want the first option that says Create Campaign. So I'm going to click option number 1, Create Campaign. Okay, perfect. So the first thing it wants me to do is enter my to. So who am I sending this campaign to? Click Add Recipients, choose your audience and find your list there. When you're ready, press Save. Okay, next is From. This is already filled in for me. However, if you want to click Edit, add your name and email address. When you're happy with that, press Save. Next is my subject line. I'm going to press Add a Subject Line. And this is my November Power of Sale list from Sutton Group Realty. Perfect. Okay, I'm happy with that, so I'm going to press Save. Okay, my content again is already done for me, so I can send myself a test email just to double check it, and when I'm all finished with that, I can press Send. You're about to send a campaign to, and then it will give you your audience list again. And when you're ready to go, press Send now. Okay, high five, we're all done. And that's how you send the Power of Sale list from your phone in under 2 minutes.